Dr. Kemi Lawyer, I want to warn you about anklets, nose piercings, and waist beads. They're not good things, they're evil. Okay, if you're a young lady wearing those things and you think you're actually doing fashion, they are evil. These things tie down your destiny. Many things you want, I'm very spiritual, I'm not religious. Many things you want are not coming your way because you've tied down your own destinies. Let me tell you about anklets. Ankle chains used to be very prominent in the 80s. Okay, I don't know who brought them back, but it's a signifying factor that you're tied to something. Okay, you tie this thing around, this jewelry around your leg. Okay, some people look at you as a prostitute. Prostitutes wear them on the streets. You see them with anklets and you know it's them. Those guys, they're tied to somebody else's man. Okay, average man that comes to a prostitute has a wife at home. And the Bible says, even if you have a wife at home and you have sex outside, you actually bring in their own semen into your home and destroying your home. Evil. Men that sleep outside their marriages bring evil into their marriages. So the other thing I want to tell you is the prostitutes that wearing the anklets are actually tied to your man. Okay, don't be one of those people wearing it. The United States government, FBI, all those guys, United States Department of Justice, the prison system in America, they use anklets to actually tie you to them. You know, there's some people who have done crimes and maybe they don't want to be in prison or they're safe enough to be out. Okay, not even on house arrest. They can go to the mall, they can go shop. They put anklets on them. Okay, those anklets are called monitoring bracelets. So that if they try to go where they're not supposed to go, the anklet will beep at the headquarters and know that this person is going somewhere they're not supposed to go. They're Nigerians, they're Ghanas, Ghanaians who are on anklets. Okay, Mona is on an anklet. You know Mona, Hajia for real. She's doing a Yahoo case over there in America. So she's on an anklet. If she tries to get on a plane, they'll know she's trying to leave the country. So all the people in the Hush Puppy case, their Bakari case, they're all using monitoring bracelets. And their case has been postponed 2 years now. We don't know where the latest will be. But those things tie you to someone. It ties you to something. So stop wearing anklets. Waist beads are evil, very evil. You're putting it around your waist. You're actually stopping something that's going to happen around your waist. Most of you can't get pregnant. You're going to a stomach and cry that you can't have a baby, you can't get pregnant, you don't have a man, anything that has to do with women's fertility, okay, and women's health, don't put it around your waist. Okay, don't put it around your waist in your urinary vaginal system. Don't destroy your livelihood. Okay, get rid of it. Okay, a lot of it comes with kayamata, trying to trap some other man, trying to do this and all that. It actually takes your destiny away, and you find that you can't do much. And the third is nose piercing. Nose piercing is evil, period. Okay, your nose is meant to be used to breathe. God created your nose to breathe. Okay, and there's a part of the nose that's connected to the brain. The part of the mouth is connected to the brain. Part of the eyes connected to the brain. There are many things you need to stop doing. Okay, do you remember Rico Suave when he had that accident and they brought him into the emergency room? Basically, what killed Rico was bleeding in his head because his ears were bleeding. Okay, there's something called ENT in medicine, ear, nose, and throat. The ears, the nose, and the throat are all connected. Okay, if you have an itching in your ears and you're going like this, you might also be doing the with your throat because it's itching over there too, and your nose. So all three are in one area. So when you pierce your nose and you're putting studs and things in there, you're changing some areas of your nose that has to do with blood vessels. Almost everywhere there's skin, that might be a blood vessel. So please stop doing that, okay? Because one day when you need to breathe and they need to put a ventilator or nebulizer mask or something like your nose is where they're putting it. So all these evil things that change your dynamics of how your body is, let's stop it in 2024. I'm Dr. Kemi Lawyer. I am not a medical doctor. I am a doctor of pharmacy, clinical pharmacist, close to a medical doctor. Can't diagnose, but I'm giving you medical advice because I'm also a health educator. 35 years is that. And a journalist, 30 years next month. Thanks for listening.